Welcome back, guys, to another series of email marketing. So earlier, I have learned like what is email marketing and is it important for us or not. So taking forward, almost there are 4 to 5 kinds of email. Like we basically consider email means one kind of email only, but email is actually segregated into 4 to 5 parts. The first part, if I talk about, is the promotional emails. One of the best platform to learn the different parts of how the emails are is your Gmail. If you look properly to your Gmail ID, you'll see there are 4 to 5 different segregations already made. That is primary, your promotional, your social, and forum, and many other. So Gmail has also segregated different kind of emails to come under different parts, so that there is more visibility of the emails. So if you talk about the first kind of email, that is a promotional email. So in promotional emails, we or a brand basically tries to send across their promotional statements or messages that they want, so that they can get some kind of benefit out of it, right? For suppose tomorrow Amazon is launching a 40% off on some of his products. So he would like to promote that 40% off in front of you, so that by seeing that email or by reading the heading, the good heading that we see of the email, we tend to open that email and interact with it, and the ultimate result again is to buying the same product, right? After that, second email is the notification emails. Notification emails are those kind of emails which we get as an acknowledgement, right? Suppose like you created an account on some platform, you get a notification like or you done some transaction, you get a notification from those, or you're buying some of the product, you get a notification that the transaction is successfully completed, or this you have booked successfully. Or if you're subscribing somewhere, you get a notification email that whether actually do you have you subscribed to that platform or not, and you need to verify by saying yes, I have actually subscribed to this platform. Those kind of emails are called as a notification emails. If I talk about the third kind of emails, it is something kind of a newsletter, right? Newsletter are more of like sending across our messages and some USPs or something which may help me in building more of my brand in front of you, right? Suppose like there is a very famous bloggers, right? And you have subscribed to his newsletter. So in newsletter, what he would be sending you every day is daily updates, something or other that you'd be receiving from him. Or you have subscribed some of the platform where they're more into like poems or stuffs like that. So every day that platform may be sending you new good poem, stuff like that. Those kind of emails are called as a newsletter. And the next kind of email is transactional email. So what are transactional email? Basically, it is one of the very common kind of email which is being floated nowadays. So transactional email are more of like follow up if you have done some kind of transactions on any platform, that they give acknowledgement, or they try to build a long term relationship with you all. For example, like if you have done some transactions from Amazon, so Amazon will keep on sending you some kind of offers or earlier transactions that you have done, or if any in like there's upselling or cross selling. If they're trying to do, like if you have purchased a cell phone, they'll try to send you an email of more of like the back cover or the charger or some other stuffs that may be a useful product for yours earlier transaction, right? That kind of email is called as a transactional email. And the last kind of email is your campaign email. So a campaign email is more of an advertisement, or it's an inorganic form of email, right? Suppose if I'm running a campaign and my objective is to generate leads or some kind of event I'm trying to organize, where I'm trying to inform people about the same event which is out there. So that kind of email where we are trying to tell people about some event, or trying to derive them towards our objective is called as a campaign email, right? I hope you all have understood the different kinds of email and how it is being done. So in next part of our video, like we'll be learning how to very efficiently design an email so that it reaches in the inbox of the user, and also that the user is doing our ultimate aim. Like our ultimate aim is to click on the information that we have given inside the email, right? So we'll be learning all these things in the next part of our video.